stories told in Newfie style of farmers and of fishermen and those who drill for oil. But our Newfoundland truck drivers are never mentioned in our song. Oh, the lonesome life is living as these big wheels roll along. He left St. John's before the bass, smoke rolling from her style, with a picture of his family in the frame there on the dial. He looked toward the picture and smiled a little smile. I think I'll make it home tonight, it's just a few more miles. He's looking at the world through a windshield, but he sees it in a little different light. As he watches the yellow line pass by him, he wonders if he'll make it home tonight. 3 weeks or more now he's been traveling down that old highway. He's seen miles and miles and miles of yellow line each day. As he rolls along, he hums a song, the wipers slapping time. If I can keep these big wheels rolling, sure I'll make it home by 9. You see, my friends, the life he lives is not an easy way. To put bread upon his table, he lives in danger every day. As he looks into the rear view, he sees his buddy's life. He pushed the pedal to the metal, yes, he'll make it home tonight. He's looking at the world through a windshield, but he sees it in a little different light. As he watches the yellow line pass by him, he wonders if he'll make it home tonight. Oh yes, he's gonna make